guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna be making another recipe for you guys, and this time it's gonna be a sweet dish. If you guys know me, I love banana everything, like banana pancakes, banana bread, banana pudding, banana muffins, which I'm gonna be making today. Boo boo. Banana anything. You name it, I'll eat it. Just nothing artificial. I'm good on that. But yeah, so my muffins are super fire, if I may say so myself. And they're super moist. We love that word. They're fire and they're moist. So if you guys are interested in seeing how uno, we're gonna have uno banana.
Yes.
Okay. So if you guys are interested in watching how my banana muffins turn out, then just keep on watching. So I just want to quickly say, make sure you have 2 bowls, one for your wet ingredients and one for your dry ingredients, and you do want a sifter so everything is coming out nice and clean. This is what I'm using for my recipe. To make it nice and moist and like fluffy, I love using sour cream, but you could also use yogurt. And then I have butter, eggs, make sure they're room temperature, salt, vanilla, cinnamon, baking powder, baking soda, raisins, flour, pumpkin seeds, and sugar. taste test.
I kind of want this one. But what is this one?
Okay, so it's our golden raisins, pumpkin seeds, PEPPITAS, and then just banana cinnamon.
Okay, this one.
Okay.
Oh, it's really soft.
Is it?
Oh, tama dry papel?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
That's cool, right? Looks pretty damn good.
It's super fluffy and like esponjoso. Like
Spongy?
fluffy. Yeah, spongy.
Moist.
Yeah, super spongy. Look
It
like.
was so jiggly.
Damn, that looks good.
Beautiful. Is good?
It is good.
Hell yeah. You could tell it's super like spongy, right?
Yeah.
Look at this. Mmm. Mmm, that's good.
Yeah, it is.
Sage, come here, try it. You like it? Let me fix this. Sage likes it.
Sage, say bye.
Say bye, go like this, look.
Bye.
Nice, bye.